Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can block calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to dialer here and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here and go to block numbers, and here you can add numbers that you want to block. Okay, so block calls from unknown numbers can also be used. So all unknown numbers, all unsaved numbers will get the blocked. Okay, suppose if you want to block some spam and scams calls, use this. Okay, just turn on this button and automatically spam and scam calls will be detected in your phone, and that will be that will get banned. Okay, suppose if you want to particularly block some numbers, you can use here. Okay, from your contact also you can block some number. I would like to block Balamurugan and Karuvadu. That means these two numbers will get blocked. Okay, automatically it will get blocked. If they try to make calls, they will not get connected with me. Okay, so in this way you can easily set blocking numbers in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.